When it comes to project portfolio management, you've probably heard of Fieldwire and eBuilder. Both promise to streamline your construction processes, but which one is actually better for managing multiple projects efficiently? In this video, we're going to dive into a comparison of these two tools, highlighting their strengths and weaknesses so you can make an informed decision. Stick around because at the end, I'll be revealing a better alternative that could elevate your project management even further. First, let's talk about ease of use. Fieldwire offers a user-friendly interface that's intuitive for team members at all levels. Whether you're managing small or large teams, its layout allows for easy access to project data, task assignments, and construction drawings. On the other hand, eBuilder tends to have a steeper learning curve. It's robust, but that means it takes a bit longer to get up to speed. If you're looking for something that's simple and quick to adopt, Fieldwire has the edge in this department. Next thing, let's compare functionality. Fieldwire shines in task management, allowing teams to assign and track tasks seamlessly across multiple projects. It integrates well with your existing workflows and supports real-time updates, making it great for managing construction teams on site. However, while it's fantastic for field management, it lacks some of the more sophisticated financial and reporting features that eBuilder brings to the table. eBuilder is specifically designed for managing large-scale projects, and its strength lies in budgeting, cost tracking, and providing detailed reports. It's more comprehensive when it comes to financial oversight, but if you're looking for a full-featured financial management tool, you might find Fieldwire lacking here. The third thing to note is integrations. Fieldwire integrates with popular tools like Procore, Dropbox, and Google Drive, which is fantastic for teams who use a mix of solutions. However, its integrations are somewhat limited compared to eBuilder. eBuilder offers extensive integration options with financial systems, scheduling tools, and enterprise software, which can make managing a portfolio of projects much more efficient. If integration with your other systems is a priority, eBuilder is the more robust choice. Now, let's talk about cost. Fieldwire offers a relatively affordable pricing model that's perfect for smaller teams or businesses just starting to scale. Its free version provides basic functionality, and the paid versions are reasonably priced, especially considering the features you get for the money. On the flip side, eBuilder's pricing is on the higher end, and its value shines when you're dealing with large, complex projects. For smaller teams or projects, you might not need the full range of features it offers, and that's something to keep in mind. Next thing to consider is mobile support. Fieldwire has excellent mobile functionality, which is crucial for teams in the field. Its mobile app allows workers to access plans, tasks, and updates on the go, and it's known for being smooth and reliable. eBuilder also has mobile apps, but they're not as praised as Fieldwire's. While they do the job, they don't always offer the same level of fluidity or responsiveness, which could be an issue if your team is on site a lot. The fifth thing is scalability. If your team is small, Fieldwire might be more than enough to handle your portfolio of projects. It's easy to scale up as your needs grow. But if you're managing large, complex portfolios with many moving parts, eBuilder has the robust infrastructure needed to handle it all. Its tools for managing documents, workflows, and finances make it ideal for larger teams or organizations with more complex needs. To wrap this up, both Fieldwire and eBuilder are excellent tools for project portfolio management, but they each excel in different areas. Fieldwire is fantastic for ease of use, field management, and cost effectiveness, making it a solid choice for smaller teams or businesses in the construction industry. eBuilder, however, is designed for larger, more complex projects where financial tracking, integration, and scalability are key. So, after trying both of them myself, I can confidently say that if you're after a better all-in-one solution for managing multiple projects, I recommend you take a look at the alternative linked in the description. It's a tool I've personally found to be more efficient in hitting all the goals mentioned here, and with the free trial through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Don't miss out!